happy kiddos!
Let's learn fun water action words together. Spill. Spill. Spill means water falls out by mistake. Splash. Splash. Splash means water jumps around. Pour. Pour. Pour means water flows from one thing to another. Soak. Soak. Soak means getting very wet. Flood. Flood. Flood means too much water everywhere. Overflow. Overflow. Overflow means water comes out because it is too full. Drip. Drip. Drip means water falls drop by drop. Spray. Spray means water spreads out in tiny drops. Wash. Wash. Wash means cleaning with water. Float. Float. Float means staying on top of water. Bubble. Bubble. Bubble means round air balls in water. Stream. Stream. Stream means water moving in one direction. Sink. Sink means going down into the water. Swirl. Swirl. Swirl means water moving around and around. Sprinkle. Sprinkle. Sprinkle means dropping little bits of water. Leak. Leak. Leak means water comes out through a small hole. Squirt. Squirt. Squirt means water shoots out fast. Dive. Dive. Dive means jumping into water. Paddle. Paddle means moving water with your hands or feet. Rinse. Rinse. Rinse means washing something with water. Dip. Dip. Dip means putting something into water for a short time. Flow. Flow. Flow means water moves smoothly. Fill. Ha. Fill means putting water into something. Water. War. Water means giving water to plants. Wade. Wade. Wade means walking through shallow water.
Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.